All right, so you've just had a colonoscopy. The procedure itself is over, but now comes the really big question. Don't worry, this is your simple, reassuring guide to getting back to eating and feeling like yourself again. You've made it through the prep, you've done the procedure, and let's be honest, you're probably starving. Your stomach is definitely talking. So let's get right into what you can eat.
The best way to think about this is like a gentle reboot. Seriously, just like restarting a computer. Your gut needs a careful, gradual startup to get back to running smoothly after being completely cleared out.
So here's our game plan. We're going to cover why your gut needs a little tender loving care right now, what to eat in those first few hours and days, what to avoid, why hydration is so important, and finally, how to get back to your normal diet safely. And here's a quick bird's eye view of the next couple of days. It's basically a simple 3-phase journey. You'll start with clear liquids, then move on to soft foods, and before you know it, you'll be gradually getting back to normal. Okay, so first things first, why all this caution? Why can't you just grab a burger and fries? Let's dive into the why behind this gentle approach. That bowel prep is no joke, right? It's designed to clear everything out, and it does its job very well. But in the process, it also washes away a lot of the good bacteria and fluids. Your system is basically an empty, super sensitive vessel that needs time to rebuild. You know, this is the perfect way to picture it. Your digestive system is like a surface that's been scrubbed completely clean. It's pristine, sure, but it's also really sensitive and kind of unprotected. You've got to reintroduce things gently. All right, let's get practical. We're talking about those first few critical hours right after your procedure. This is where that gentle reboot officially kicks off. Your doctor is going to tell you to start with clear liquids. And all that means is anything you can see through that won't leave any gunk behind. It's the absolute easiest thing for your digestive system to handle right now. So what's on the menu? Well, things like water, clear broth, and apple juice are all great choices. But here's a really important tip. See that note about avoiding red or purple liquids? There's a practical reason for that. Their color can actually stain the colon, which could be mistaken for bleeding later on. So it's best to just skip them for a day or two. Okay, once you've successfully handled the clear liquids phase, it's time for the next level. In the first 24 hours or so, you can start bringing back some actual, although very soft foods. The goal here is super simple. Get some real nourishment into your body without making your system work hard at all. These low-fiber foods are easy to digest and give you the fuel you need to heal without any stress. Here are some fantastic go-to options. Scrambled eggs give you gentle protein. White rice and mashed potatoes offer easy-to-digest carbs for energy. And hey, things like yogurt with live cultures are a brilliant move because you're actually helping to reintroduce some of that good bacteria back into your system. So we've talked about what to eat, but knowing what not to eat is just as crucial right now. And don't worry, this isn't forever. It's just a temporary pause for a couple of days. Think of it as politely saying no thank you on behalf of your gut. And when you look at this list, it all makes total sense, right? Anything spicy or really fatty can irritate that sensitive lining. And while normally super healthy, high-fiber foods like raw veggies or whole grains are just too tough for your system to digest at the moment, just give them a pass for about 48 hours. All right, let's talk about the real MVP, the unsung hero of your recovery, hydration. Honestly, for that first day, staying hydrated is probably even more important than what you eat. I mean, think about it. That prep process is designed to flush your system, and it takes a ton of water and electrolytes with it. Replenishing all those fluids is absolutely essential for your cells to repair themselves, for your energy to come back, and for your overall healing. So what are we aiming for? It's pretty simple. Shoot for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Just keep a water bottle handy and sip on it constantly. I promise, this one simple thing will make a huge difference in how quickly you feel better. And remember, not all liquids are created equal right now. Water, drinks with electrolytes, and some nice herbal teas are your best friends. On the flip side, things like alcohol and too much caffeine can actually dehydrate you, which is the exact opposite of what you want. Okay, you are in the home stretch. After a day or two of taking it easy, it's time to start transitioning back to your normal diet. But there's a right way to do it. This 4-step plan is your playbook. And if there's one golden rule, it's this. Go slow. Don't jump from mashed potatoes to a giant raw salad. Add fiber back bit by bit, keep your portions small, and most importantly, listen to your body. It's the best guide you have. If something doesn't feel right, just back off and try again later. And here's the best news of all. This isn't some long, drawn-out ordeal. For most people, if you just follow this gentle approach, you'll be back to your normal eating habits within just 2 or 3 days. That's it. So as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this thought. You've essentially just given your digestive system a complete reboot, a totally clean slate. This is a perfect and kind of unique opportunity to think about what habits you can build on from here to support your digestive health for the long run.